Alrighty, good morning, boys. I just hopped out the shower. I'm looking fresh and clean right now. Rate me on a scale of 1 through 10 in the comment. I'm joking. Okay. So you guys are about to watch me execute live on NQ. And before that, I also took a position last night, which I ended up bottom ticking because I'm just that guy. I'm just that guy. Just that guy. All right. Anyways, enough self-glaze. P&L was roughly 6K. First trade was like 2,500. Second trade was like 3.8. So it brings a total like 6.3, 6.4 for P&L wise. But yeah, we're cooking right now, boys. Discord's popping, absolutely popping. Everyone in the Discord is like, I'll put some screenshots up. They're finally adopting. Anyways, you guys should have seen the screenshots in the Discord. I'll catch you guys in the execution. I'm just looking so fresh and so clean right now. All right, let me stop. All right, enjoy the executions.
All right, boys. About to stop on an entry long. Kind of got a late entry, specifically here. But essentially, take profit here. Only targeting a 1 to 2 today, just because low probability price action. Not looking to capture more than a 1 to 2 today. And this is the most important part of trading, is being able to recognize market conditions specifically. I'm going to tell you guys exactly why I entered this trade specifically. But ideally, the reason why specifically we want to just target low hanging fruit, high hanging fruit, and low risk to reward on days like this is because these are the days where traders blow their account because they look for either high amounts of profits or they look for insane risk to reward ratios, and then your mental frame and mental state of mind is everywhere when you get stopped out at break even. But anyways, I'm going to explain what price does exactly what I was looking at to do. Essentially, we have an internal turtle soup here at these 2 wick lows here. We have a retrace to this 1 minute order block here. So I wanted to see price redeliver and reprice down here. And then now what I want to see is, because we drove into the sell side imbalance buy side inefficiency, a lot of traders entered short here, and they are actively getting burnt out by the long specifically there. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually trail my stop loss because we've gotten a market structure shift to break even, or right above or right below break even. But we have this internal market structure shift here. And now this sell side imbalance buy side inefficiency will get used as a form of support. So now I want to see price take a dig back into that sell side imbalance buy side inefficiency to see the final objective run higher to these relative smooth highs here, and then a little bit higher than that. I'm anticipating, honestly, a run all the way up here. But like I mentioned, I'm looking for minor risk to reward ratio, not looking for anything high. And yeah, so RR now is 1 to 13 on this trade. And entry model, internal turtle soup, 1 minute order block overlapped, specifically on the entry. On top of that, we also have a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency here. And overlapped with that even is a 90-minute open high low close rebalance to that buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, as well as the 90-minute open high low close. So that's all the confluences for the trade specifically on how I knew this was going to play out and work out, is because I was able to just list essentially 4 or 5 confluences for you guys. Right. And that's the thing, is like, you guys are trading with like no confluences. Like, you guys are trading with like no basis of like understanding about confluences specifically. And it's so important to have confluences because of the fact, if you don't have confluences, how do you make a hypothesis? I like explaining to my Discord members specifically, like, we act and we are like scientists, right? We create a hypothesis and then we enter our trade specifically off of that hypothesis. And this is a prime example of that. I created my hypothesis based on all the different confluences I saw in the marketplace that are actually high probability. And then from there, I acted on those confluences. So it's literally as simple as that. So now that we swept this external high, internal high, I should say, my stop loss is going to get trailed right above this sell side imbalance buy side efficiency, because price can definitely come touch it again. But ideally, I want to see this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency hold, because we have now PXH with these 2 highs, previous time frame high, which would be the 1 minute. So ideally, I want to see these 2 highs get used as a form of support now to continue to run price to my final objective for a 1 to 13 risk to reward ratio. Obviously, original risk to reward was 1 to 2, but in the span of 30 seconds, it immediately got trailed to 1 to 13. And that's typically how my trades go as a whole. So calculated risk is the key to trading and longevity in trading. because I can take this trade 13 times, 12 times. I can take this trade, and on the 13th time, I could wipe back all my losses if I were to lose every single trade. And the nice part is my win percentage year to date for last year was roughly 75%. So that being the case, it's like with my model, specifically the model that I look for, 75% win rate at a very high risk reward ratio makes you a lot of money. But yeah, guys, this is the accuracy that I've seeked in the marketplace for so long. And I just thank God every day because I'm able to see it almost every single day happen now. And I'm just blessed that God opened my eyes specifically to be able to allow me to see these things happen. But yeah, so I'm blessed, and I thank God specifically. But yeah, so 5 minute is also getting used as support with those internal highs. We're about to hit take profit. I got just edged. I'm low-key not liking that. All right, I'm going to close there for 3. I just closed my sell stop instead of my actual P&L. Well, we might get it. Let's see. I'm going to just market close if we go below this low here. But I think honestly we might tap it. All right, I'm just close there. All right, 3.8. So final closed objective was 1 to 12 risk to reward ratio. And that was real time, right? Real time data, market open, all as well. My trade base down here. This is my live account that I'm currently trading on. Anyways, 1 minute order block retracement, right? Internal turtle soup model overlapped with the buy side of balance, sell side inefficiency. We get a reprice delivery to the 90-minute open high low close. So ideally off the swing low, since it's an internal turtle soup, I want to see price use it. And in context, right? So specifically, it's like, okay, we get a run on price higher, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. This is a form of manipulation here, right? And you have to look at this as a form of manipulation because if you think about it, majority of retail traders and as well as some as ICT traders will see this as an inverse for value gap. Oh, we have an inverse for value gap. They see the consequent encroachment here, get respected. They see a run lower, but then they get used as manipulation. They get the internal total soup here, right? Happen. And then all that generated liquidity that tried to go short here is now used as a form of liquidity. And now we see a continuation run higher, right? So that's exactly my trading model. God, thank you for showing me this. I love you, God. But yeah, so that's a 4K day. And then I also, if you guys probably already watched it too, I also bottom ticked the market last night at I think it was 11:15 a.m. So you guys can see my full trades. So for today, the P&L I think is roughly $6,500 for 2 trades, 1 trade in the AM session. It was actually 11:15 p.m. yesterday, but I'll just count it as today because I was literally about to go to bed. But ideally, that was the continuation model, right? 28 points, $2 of risk. Once we obviously trailed, original stop loss was there for a 1 to 9 risk reward, but then immediately gets trailed once we get an internal market structure shift, which we always do. So yeah, I mean that was a trade idea. And on the 5 minute time frame, we're probably about to go hit, or sorry, I should say the 15-minute time frame, we're probably about to go hit this swing high for the final objective. I think ES might have SMT with it now. Oh wait, no, we don't. Oh wait, do we? Yeah, no, we have extreme SMT. Holy moly! But anyways, that was a trade idea. It was a valid trade. I love it. Continuation, run higher. And the biggest thing is identifying, and this is the most sauce I'll probably give you guys on YouTube. The biggest thing is identifying the sequence of events that the day is occurring in terms of the algorithmic signatures. So we have continuation days and reversal days. Identify what type of sequences the algorithm is repricing to every single day. Is it reversal or continuation day? If you can identify one of the two, you, my friend, are going to be very rich. I'm edging you guys on purpose because I can't drop all value for free. The real value is going to be in the Discord. So I'll leave the description in the link in my bio. If you guys have any questions, you guys want me to cover anything, let me know in the comment section. And if you end up joining in the Discord, at me in general, and we'll build you a custom plan. Love you, boys. I'll see you guys in tomorrow. Tomorrow, Friday. Love you, boys.